In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your wiper blades on your Nissan Rogue, located right here at the base of your windshield. You want to grab that wiper arm and you're going to pull that up. You're going to reach up inside here and there's going to be a plastic tab. You're going to push that tab down towards the wiper and then bring the wiper arm down off this hook. Be careful with this here. I'm going to go ahead and set this down carefully and rest it into place. The reason for that is you don't want that to accidentally shoot down, hit the windshield and break it, and take your new wiper blade. There's a rounded side to this here that is actually going to fit into this hook. So bring this up, line this up, and push this up and in. You can feel it in here lock into place. At this point here, you want to go ahead and grab the bottom side of the blade protector. I'm going to slide that up and off. And you can go ahead and gently put that wiper arm down. You're going to go ahead and repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.